Here is a quick guide to how to create and use image traced images in Illustrator. So I've got a picture of a building that I've traced using the pen tool in Illustrator, but to get this nice textured effect, you need to open your Photoshop document. So open your image into Photoshop, and we're going to go to Image and Adjustment, Black and White, and we're going to try and make the highlights really bright and the lowlights really dark. And then I'm going to press OK and go Image and Adjustments and Levels and bring in the black and the white tabs. And then from there, go straight back to the same place and go Image and Adjustments and Threshold and set the level that you want. And from there, I'm going to go Select All, Edit, Copy Merged, and then back to Illustrator and just paste it into there with Ctrl V or Edit Paste. Now from here, you can't do a lot with a picture in Illustrator, but what you can do is click Image Trace at the top, and then go straight back up to the same place and click Expand. And then what happens is Illustrator will retrace your image with its own vector lines. So from this point it gets interesting, because what you can do is double click on the image to go into the group. You can move the black bits and the white bits around and delete bits out. You can double click on the empty space to come out of the group. And what we're looking to do is to select the black part of the image to overlay it over the front of the vector to get a nice textured look to it. Something you can do under the transparency tab is turn it from a normal layer to a multiplier layer, which will get rid of the white. What looks great is when you take the white away and then just use the black. So in this image here, I've set it to pink and I've just gone back to making it white. So I've layered it up once. I'm going to copy it and paste it again, image trace it and expand it. So I've used it once already. And on this example, I'll just show you how to dissect it. So I've double clicked on it and I've just pulled the white away, pulled the black away, select all the white and delete it. So I've just got the black left. It's always best if you double click on it and pull the black away, because that tends to be connected together. So then, using your inspiration image, select your colour that you'd like with the colour box on the left. I'm going to create a block of colour and I've sent that to the back. So right click, arrange, send to back. I've held Alt down and moved it, so I've got another block and set that to a different colour. And you can start to create a composition this way by having 3 different shapes. So this piece of work now looks quite bold, quite colourful, far more attractive than just the flaky threshold image. And one of the nice tasks we can do is we can copy and paste it so we have another version of it and just set it to outline, so it's just the stroke around the outside. And I've changed the stroke pattern to 2 point on the stroke, so you've got this on a nice close-up, so you get a bit of detailing on there as well. See what you can create with that.